Oo. Okay. About public trust and transparency, how do you make sure that whatever you say uh, is not defense or is not cover up and it is transparent and credible as against political propaganda?
But I think, again, I have to have this receipt or evidence to prove that what I'm talking about is the fact. It's the truth. So, paano natin madidistinguish? Unang-una, ang hirap kasi magsalita, nasa podium ka, tapos you will tell lies. People will know. Kasi intelihente mga Pilipino. Alam nila kung ikaw ay propagandista lang. Although, Miss Corina, marami na negatibo sa akin na sinasabi propagandista ako. So, paano tayo magiging propagandista kung ang ginagawa mo is to spread the good news? Halimbawa, ang programa ng Pangulo, dito siya pumunta, ito pa makukuha niya ayuda, mura na po ang bigas. Propaganda ba yun? That's the truth. So, hindi ko masasabing kasinungalingan yun at pinapaganda ko lang ang papel ng Pangulo because yun yung nangyayari. Ginagawa factual. Diba? So, hindi ko masasabing propagandista yung dating natin.
What is the worst thing said about you?
Wala akong maisip. Siguro sila, marami sila sabi sa akin negatibo, but hindi ko sila kinukonsider na negatibo or what. Kasi pag pinasok ko sa utak ko yan na sinasabi na negatibo ako, I might be affected. Diba? Every time that I will be speaking for the president or for the palace, ay, sinabi ni ganyan, hindi dapat kasi ganyan ako. I won't mind them. Really. Kung ano yung sinasabi na sa akin, I don't care. Basta as long as I'm talking about the projects, programs of the president, and I'm also trying to fight fake news, that's it. That's my job.
Right. Saan galing ba itong fake news na ito? Is it only really one source? O meron talaga ding mga tinatawag na pampagulo? Yung mga nanggugulo lang?
Meron kasing mga fake news peddlers na bayaran. May fake news.
Marami yun.
Marami yun.
Yes.
Diba?
Mga troll farm, even vloggers are now paid.
Yes, oo. May fake news naman, may fake news peddlers na gusto clickbait lang. Pero alam mong mali kasi alam nila maraming views. Chismis lang yung dating. So, doon siguro because na-encourage sila because of the payment. Na hindi nila nakikita na yung ginagawa nila ay nakaka-apekto sa bansa. Diba? Nawawala yung konsensya nila for the money. Yun yung mahirap eh. Tapos kapwa mo Pilipino, parang sila yung nagbebenta ng integridad ng bansa for the money.